So my name is Dhane. I'm originally from Tunisia, and I moved to Canada 10 years ago, where I studied biology. I did a master in biology, in ecology, biodiversity and evolution, and then I specialized in data science and biology. I hold several positions in ecology and biodiversity, and then I had also my last position before the Alliance was to work in a project related to open data in Canada in general, in ecology and evolution too. Then I moved to the Alliance, where I started my new position as international relations.
This is really interesting. So you have quite a varied background. You bring a lot of experience from different disciplines to the work that you do, and now you have an expertise in data.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, with the Alliance, for example, for now, my position is to work with different stakeholders, partners of the Alliance, and I bring support to these stakeholders. For example, I do a lot of data analysis, data running, data cleaning, like for example with RDA now, for this 10 years anniversary, I produced a lot of data analysis, a lot of graphs, scripts, the pathways. So yeah, I also doing this for other organizations similar to RDA, those who are working on DRI.
And what did you find in your analysis of the data of RDA? What did you find out about the organization that you can share with us?
Yeah, I found a lot of things. First, I used all the data that they have for those past 10 years. And when I started studying, analyzing the data related to the members, I found out that members are really from all over the world. So when I started working on producing a world map, I want to have some fancy, beautiful map, so I was adding the colors, like rainbow colors, and then I was accepting to see only members from Europe and North America. And then I found out that all the countries they had colors. So I said, oh, so people are really from everywhere. They come from everywhere. Only, I would say 15 countries or so had gray color. When it's a gray color, it means that members are not from those countries. So that's why I understood that really members in RDA come from all over the world.
In your discussions of the data that you were working on and the work you've done for the plenary, you mentioned the pathways. Could you tell us what those are?
Yes, so pathways are general themes. For example, you can, if you have an interest in fair, trust, or care, or maybe if you are more interested in doing research software, so those pathways just group different working groups into the specific fields. And when the TAB team from RDA produced those pathways, I helped matching the groups and the group's outputs to these pathways. So this way, if let's say a random member of RDA, he has a new interest in fair as a software, and he doesn't know which groups or outputs are related to that, so he can just click on the specific pathway and he will have access to all the groups, working groups, interest groups, but also all the outputs. So this way, that can connect new members with the already available members who are already working with those groups.